Okay, we got our first little issue. We don't have too much battery power and the dynamo, the generator, is not charging it. So I thought it was this converter, and unfortunately it wasn't. Can't figure out why the alternator is not working. So what I've just done, I just connected through the charging cables our spare battery, so that gives us another bit of power, and then hopefully we'll make it through the night, and I'll figure it out in the morning. Okay guys, getting a little bit rough, doing 7.5 knots, mainsail is out, so we're gonna get the mainsail down, rolling like hell. Are you ready, buddy? Okay, here we go. Got some big waves rolling in here. What a weather, guys. I'm gonna turn it into the wind for a second so you can hear it. Yep, how do you feel? Tired, broken. How hard does this wind feel?
Pretty hard.
Have we ever done 8 knots with this amount of sail? Just a couple of more miles till we go around the corner, and hopefully it's quiet then. And then the internet pops up again and we Google this point, and it's called Punta Mala, what actually means bad point or worst point by sailors called, because a lot of wind, high waves and current is all connecting here at the corner. The internet is full of it. Sailors actually sometimes try it 3 or 4 times before they actually go around this point. They wait for very low winds. Our prediction was 25 knots, and we thought it's from the back, so it's gonna be okay. But yeah, we ended up in 35 knots, maybe gusts of 40 knots. So we had a hard time, and we decided to go into Playa Venao to calm down and get some rest, because it was a very tough night. Okay, we're broken, we're tired, so we decided to anchor for a little bit. What's the name, everybody?
Anchorage is called Cove.
Okay. Well, let's get some sleep. Okay. So that's where we are right now, chilling a little bit. We have 2 options: stay here for the night and then continue to Paviones. But the wind is dying, as you can see in my other app. As you can see now at the dot, we have a lot of wind. Here it's already getting less, but you can see it's dying off here. So the sooner we go, the better, because otherwise, if we wait another day, you can see here all the blue spots, the blue, we don't have any wind, so let's go. What an amazing sunrise. Okay, so let's get a couple of hours of sleep, check the alternator, see what's going on, get some breakfast, and then get back en route again. Wind is picking up a little again. Go for a sunset beer on the beach. yeah, of course you can. Sit down.
L.
Okay, had a wonderful beer, met some amazing people, had a little bit of nachos, now off to the boat for some food. And Mom, thank you so much for just sending us the video with the guy that got attacked by 10 tiger sharks. How do we feel, Jip?
I feel confident.
We feel confident. Check that out. There's a beautiful hotel here, and in the background you probably can't see it, but where's the boat, Jip?
From over there, yeah. It's like a 10-minute swim.
It's a 10-minute swim. Okay, there we go, guys. Bioluminescence in the water, it was amazing. We felt like little, how do you call it? Ferries in the water? Sparkling?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. So, now we deserve a very nice and healthy meal. Tomorrow it's gonna be surfing, foiling, catching lobster, and another day here because it's just too beautiful to leave.
And apparently there's bingo.
And apparently there's bingo. We're gonna play bingo tomorrow. We got invited for bingo, and it seems to be the best night. So can't wait till tomorrow. Let's do that.
Life is not a race. It shouldn't be about who finishes school first, who's got the best job, buy the biggest car, or travels the world first. Life is about happiness. Yours comes first, and then share it with who you love. Stop racing through life just doing things without even enjoying them, and start living life in your own pace. Slow down. Start experiencing, appreciating and feeling the things you do, not just doing them. Take your time. It doesn't matter if it takes a month or a year, as long as you are happy while doing it. Your happiness lies within you. Don't conform to others. Stop worrying what others think, and life will become such a better place. Slow down. Happiness awaits.